Sobrang sarap ng recipe na to kasi sobrang daling gawin. Crispy yung chicken, pero may tamis ang hang yung ating glaze. Ano ba yung gagawin natin? Buttered chicken with ketchup glaze. Let's start cooking! Laging naririnig natin pag nagluluto tayo ng chicken, may pa-brine-brine. Eto, I will teach you a new kind of brining. It's called Patis brine. So we're using 1/4 cup of patis and 1 cup of water. Ito, sobra to sa 1 cup ha. Yan, gagamitin kasi yan para sa ating butter later. Iso-soak natin siya sa ating marinade, sa ating brine, overnight. So, not only will it make your chicken more flavorful, pero sobrang tender din yung magiging resulta niya. And now, we will prepare our batter. Ang style nito is a wet batter. Hindi siya yung parang pa-breading-breading. So, wet batter. We will add our mix of sugar, konting vinegar, kailangan ng cornstarch para maging crispy, and baking powder. Combine lang natin siya, and we will mix it here. Napansin nyo, wala na akong asin-asin dito dahil nasa brine mixture ko na. Yan. So, this is like a wet batter of sorts, no? Hindi siya masyadong clunky, hindi siya masyadong thick. Tapos, ang laban, kahit 1 hour mo na brine, pwede na to. And let's just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. And we are ready to fry. Ito siya, aking oil. Sobrang init na ng ating oil, kaya sobrang nating bilis mag-work. And fry. Yan, fry. Yan. So, unahin natin yung drumlets. Yung pag nagpiprito ako ng chicken wings, hinihiwalay ko, inuuna ko yung drumlets. Ito ba yung meaty portion close to the breast? Dahil, bakit ganon? Dahil, mas matagal siya maluto. Dahil, mas marami siyang karne. Inuuna ko siya, yan, ganyan. Then, after, sinuhuli ko yung wing tips. Yan, no? Para, kasi mas maliit siya, mas madali siya maluto. So, we're cooking our chicken. Basta yung gagawin mo, pag naghahalo-halo ka ng chicken pieces, yung mas malaking parts, unahin mo ng luto, sabay-sabay. Hindi yung paghalo yung big parts and small parts. Cook natin siya hanggang maging golden. Yan, pag golden na siya ng konti, balik rin natin yung ating chicken. Ganyan, oh. So, look at that, ating chicken, sobrang pretty. And tingnan mo, yung secret natin dito, di ba? Number 1, yung brining para maging malambot yung ating chicken and very juicy and masarap to the bones. Secondly, yung ating batter, dapat halo siya ng cornstarch at harina para sobrang crispy. But for added crispiness, ang sekreto nun yung konting suka. Konting suka lang niya because it will activate the gluten in the flour to make it crispier. Oh, yan. And sobrang ganda ng ating pag-fry. Beautiful, no? Eto, okay na to aking chicken. Pahinga ka muna ng konti. Tatabi natin yung oil dahil gagawin na natin yung ating ketchup glaze. And we'll make the glaze. Melt tayo ng butter or margarine. And add natin yung garlic. Maraming garlic. 8 cloves of garlic. Hindi natin iba-brown ha. Yung gusto lang natin dito ay medyo maluto para lumabas yung garlic flavor. And lagyan natin ng konting sugar, brown sugar, and our soy sauce. We're using Silver Swan soy sauce, around 4 tablespoons. Ito talaga yung masarap niyan. Ang ating UFC tamis anghang banana ketchup. Perfect na perfect to. Yan. Halos maubos ko yata tong bote, pero ito talaga. Sobrang sarap, sobrang linamnam, very garlicky. Tama lang yung tamis at saka yung alat. Yung soy sauce kasi natin is neutralized by the brown sugar. Eto, bago mo ihalo dito, dapat nakasingaw na yung chicken mo. Kasi ito, our sauce is very thick, no? It's very thick. And pag pinuhos natin sa hot chicken, yung sobrang bago nating pritong chicken, ano mangyayari? Magkakaroon ng layer. So instead na makasingaw pa yung steam, magko-coat siya, hindi maka-escape yung skin. Kaya mangyayari dito, kukunat na siya, no? Huwag masyadong atat, no? Timing. Cooking is about timing. So, dapat perfect timing yung ating luto para perfect din siya pag-serve. Of course, it won't stay crispy forever, pero at least for the few minutes it's on your table, nakakahain mo lang siya, crispy pa rin siya. Mukha siyang Korean fried chicken, pero Pinoy version. No? Pinoy fried chicken with our banana ketchup glaze. And arrange our chicken pieces. Again, konting effort. And pag-garnish tayo ng konti ito. Leeks lang to. Pwedeng spring onions, pwedeng sesame seeds, fried garlic. Diba? And look at the tikim portion. Woohoo! And I love it with the sauce and the tunog sa labas. Titikim na ako. It's a perfect bite. This is a winner. And dahil may pa-baking powder yung ating batter, light and crispy. Then, pag kinagat mo, sweet, sticky, konting salty. Kaya, hashtag love like simple. Simple recipes done with love. Sigurado magiging happy yung buong family. Family talaga! Family. O, di ba? Ito na siya. Ating recipe sa ating Christmas season, buttered chicken with ketchup glaze. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!